Hello Splendors, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I know most of us are still at home during this pandemic, therefore we are looking for many things to do during this time and still remain productive, either financially, mentally, or physically. Let's begin on the 10 things you can do while at home. Number 10. Do you remember that book you've always wanted to read but didn't have the time? Well, here's your chance. Reading books helps you exercise your brain, improve your vocabulary, lowers your stress levels, and helps you become imaginative. Books may vary from motivation to fiction, and the best thing about this is that it solely depends on your interest while choosing either on Amazon or other online bookstores. Remember, the main idea is to remain indoors and maintain social distancing. Have you always wanted to learn a new skill? This goes from learning new recipes to learning how to play chess. For those who are artistic, learning how to play an instrument should lead you somewhere. Make learning a new skill a fun exercise for you to keep all the tension about what is happening in the world off your mind. Having a workout routine is probably what most people have been up to. Have that jog in the morning. Involve yourself in keeping fit as it comes with more benefits. Studies have proven that exercise helps with giving you a peace of mind and driving you towards having healthy eating habits. Meditation is an important step into having inner peace. Find a quiet place, light some scented candles, and have some therapeutic music on. Meditation is a relaxing exercise. We will leave the link in the description for an app that can guide you with this. Number 6. Working from home. Yes, sure, many companies right now have been able to grant their employees resources so that they may be able to work from home. However, this point goes to those who haven't started working. It is high time you began thinking about where you can start earning from. Stay tuned for a video on work ideas to earn from. For now, you could research on what works for you. For example, Forex trading or selling on Amazon, while still seated on your couch with your computer. Gardening could be a very resourceful activity. For those who are fortunate enough to have a garden or at least a kitchen garden, now is the time to attend to those garden jobs as to maximize your free time when you are stuck at home. Tidying up your garden and fixing up that fence makes you feel productive. Starting a DIY project could take up your time, but hey, you better make yourself productive. Learning how to fix general things could help in educating you, aside from the norms. You don't want other people coming into your home to fix up things that you are capable of. Research on it and do it. You might as well get artistic. Give yourself the chance to learn how to draw, paint, and knit. Go a step further and learn the chemistry that surrounds us. You could make candles, lip balms, and jewelry. Find the steps which are available to you through the internet. Now, where are our bookworms? Grasp an opportunity of enrolling on a free course online. You can easily pass your test and assignments when you have all the time in the world. More so if you aren't working yet, but you might consider finding means of earning while still at home. Go ahead and learn a new language while you can. With apps like Memrise and Duolingo, you can do that at no cost. At number 1, you need to review and create your personal development plan. With this, you are assured to move ahead and become more focused. This is usually the first step you take before starting to work towards your dreams. Have reminders of why you started as you work, because the first step is always the hardest. Now that you have come to the end of this video, kindly let us know in the comment section what you think you will definitely indulge yourself in, or what you have already done. You might as well share your experience with us. Thank you for watching Splendors. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. Hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video.